Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G is an impressive blend of innovation and style, setting a new benchmark for foldable smartphones. With its compact design, the device effortlessly fits into pockets while offering a stunning 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display when unfolded. The vivid colors and sharp resolution make streaming videos and browsing a delightful experience. The cover display, a 1.9-inch Super AMOLED screen, is a functional addition that allows for quick notifications and controls without needing to flip the phone open. Performance-wise, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which ensures smooth multitasking and responsive gameplay. With 8GB of RAM and options for 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, it handles demanding applications and multitasking with ease. The device runs on Android 11, but it's upgradeable, ensuring you stay current with the latest software features. The camera setup is equally impressive, featuring a dual 12MP system with wide and ultra-wide lenses. The image quality is remarkable, capturing vibrant colors and fine details even in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, the ability to use the flex mode allows for creative angles in photography and video calls, making it a versatile tool for content creators. Battery life is where the Galaxy Z Flip 3 shines, with a 3,300 mAh battery that generally lasts a full day under moderate usage. The device supports 15W wired charging and 10W wireless charging, providing flexibility for recharging on the go. One concern is the durability of the foldable display, although Samsung has improved its Gorilla Glass Victus protection to minimize scratches and damage. Overall, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G is a groundbreaking smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with a compact design, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a unique device that stands out in a sea of traditional smartphones.